Looking for a classic car with flair and potential? Check out this 1957 Chevrolet BelAir, a true icon of American automotive history. Priced at just $9,950, this beauty is located in El Mirage, Arizona. Featuring a reliable small-block Chevy V8 engine paired with a manual transmission, this car offers a vintage driving experience. With an odometer reading of 100,000 miles and a clean title, it's perfect for restoration enthusiasts or those wanting that nostalgic touch. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of the 50S. Visit the provided Craigslist listing for more details and call Bill today. Here's a rare 1958 Edsel Citation 4-door sedan available for sale at $4,200 in University Hills, Colorado. The vehicle features a V8 engine, 410 CI, 475 feet-pounds torque, with a 3-speed push-button automatic transmission and 94,590 miles on the odometer. Key attributes include factory air conditioning, power steering, brakes, windows, seats, and the unique teletouch push-button transmission. The car needs a complete restoration but holds incredible potential due to its historical significance and rarity. The body is in good condition with minor rust issues, and it comes with many new and spare parts. Don't miss this chance to own a unique piece of automotive history. Visit the provided link for more details and pictures. Introducing a rare find for classic car enthusiasts, the 1955 International Pickup, priced at $10,000, located in Chino Valley, Arizona. This vintage gem boasts excellent condition with a clean title. It's set up for SBC/TH350, featuring a 4-link rear end, Z-framed front, and coilover shocks. The odometer reads just 1,234 miles. Disc brakes in the front, drums in the rear, and a pleated black interior with a full-gauge cluster add to its allure. The shortened 47 Studebaker bed and new windshield highlight its unique customization potential. This vehicle does not include the motor or transmission, making it an excellent project car for restoration or hot rod enthusiasts. Check out the provided link for more details and make this piece of automotive history yours today. Welcome to a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, the 1955 Dodge Custom Royal. Priced at just $5,700, this classic sedan is located in Delta, British Columbia. Under the hood, it boasts the original V8 Hemi Super Red Ram Power Pack, delivering an impressive 193 horsepower. With 46,551 miles on the odometer, this car features an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The interior remains in great shape, while the exterior awaits a fresh coat of paint. This rare find includes all chrome parts and manuals, making it a perfect candidate for restoration. Don't miss your chance to bring this beauty back to life. For more information, visit the link in the description. Discover the timeless charm of the 1955 GMC 250 Classic, now available for just $4,000 in Oroville, California. This iconic vehicle features a robust 270 inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual 4-speed transmission. With an odometer reading of 123,456 miles, this classic truck is a true gem for enthusiasts. The uncut dash and steel flatbed with a lift add to its vintage appeal. Though the title is missing, a bill of sale is provided, and the seller offers semi-local delivery for an extra fee. Don't miss out on the potential to restore this piece of automotive history. Visit the provided link in the description for more details and to make this classic beauty yours. Feel free to tweak the script to better suit your needs. Welcome to this charming 1956 Chevrolet BelAir, a classic beauty that promises both nostalgia and performance. Priced attractively at $8,500, this four-door sedan is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. With only 52,380 original miles, it features a robust 265 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Located in Sun City West, Arizona, this vehicle has been well cared for, boasting a clean title and a solid frame. The recent upgrades, including a new fuel tank, fuel pump, and fully rebuilt brakes, ensure its reliability on the road. With all lights and gauges in perfect working order, and just some minor rust on the rear doors, this BelAir holds immense potential for restoration or serves as a fantastic daily driver. Don't miss out on owning a classic that stands the test of time. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing a stunning 1956 Lincoln Premier, a classic gem in good condition. Priced at just $6,900 and located in Forston, Minnesota, this vintage sedan showcases a powerful 368Y block V8 engine paired with a 2-speed power-glide automatic transmission. With a clean title and 103,000 miles on the odometer, it runs, drives, and stops, offering solid bones for restoration. Recent brake work, replaced floors, and rust-free rockers add to its appeal. While some components like the speedometer, power windows, and water pump need rebuilding, this car has immense potential to be transformed into a showstopper worth $30,000. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Visit the provided link for more details. Introducing the timeless 1956 Ford F-250, a true gem for vintage car enthusiasts. This classic pickup truck comes with a fresh rebuild on its powerful 262 engine, paired with a smooth manual 4-speed transmission. With only 2,500 miles on the odometer, it promises reliability and strength. Featuring clean title status, good tires, and a well-functioning heater, this truck is ready for its next adventure. Perfect for restoration or collectors who value historical charm, this F-250 stands out with its classic design and robust build. Visit the provided link in the description to uncover more about this iconic piece of automotive history. Introducing the timeless 1957 Chevrolet 4Doctor Hardtop, now available for just $9,200 in Largo, Florida. This classic features a 1970 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 123,456 miles, it offers historical charm and potential for restoration. The factory air conditioning system, while missing some parts, remains largely intact, making it a great project car. The body shows expected rust for its age, but the solid floors require only minor patching. This beauty rolls, steers, and is ready for transport. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of history. For more information, visit the link. Introducing a timeless classic, the 1957 Chevrolet BelAir, now available in Atascadero, California, for just $7,500. This four-door model exudes historical charm, boasting a clean title and an odometer reading of 75,590 miles. While missing its engine, transmission, and seats, it offers a solid foundation for restoration, with rust-free floorboards and included parts. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For details, visit the link. Are you ready to own a piece of automotive history? Introducing the 1957 Chevrolet Pickup 3600, a classic gem that runs and drives, ready for a new adventure. Priced at just $3,500 and located in Kennewick, Washington, this beauty boasts a 350 CID engine, TH350 automatic transmission, and an odometer reading of 123,456 miles. With its fair condition and unique features like dual exhaust, a refinished flatbed, new interior door panels, and a custom sunroof, this pickup is perfect for restoration enthusiasts. Don't miss the chance to bring this classic Chevy back to its former glory. Visit the provided link in the description for more details and make this iconic pickup yours today. Welcome to the world of classic cars. Today, we have a 1957 DeSoto Fire Sweep Shopper station wagon for you. Priced at an appealing $3,400, this car is located in Harris, New Mexico. While it does come with its fair share of challenges, including missing the engine and transmission, it offers a solid platform for restoration. With an odometer reading of 70,000 miles and an elegant white paint color, this wagon has great potential. However, please note there is currently a missing title. If you're a classic car enthusiast looking for a project with historical value, this is the perfect opportunity for you. For more details and to see the car, visit the link in the description. Don't miss out. Welcome to a classic gem, the 1957 Willys Jeep. Now available for just $9,000 in the heart of Williamsburg, New Mexico. This legendary off-road vehicle is in excellent condition, equipped with a robust 4-cylinder engine and a manual transmission for that authentic driving experience. With only 5,000 miles on the odometer, it's a rare find for any classic car enthusiast. The custom paint adds a unique charm, while the clean title assures you of its quality. Whether you're looking for a vehicle with great historical value or a project with endless restoration potential, this Willys Jeep checks all the boxes. Don't miss out on a chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing a 1958 Chevy Apache, an absolute classic gem for car enthusiasts. Priced at $8,500 and located in Hemet, California, this big window fleet-side long bed is brimming with restoration potential. It features a 235 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission and boasts an odometer reading of just 10,000 miles. While it doesn't currently run, the motor is not frozen, making it a perfect starter project. With minimal rust on the cab, an extra bed for metalwork included, and a clean title in hand, this vintage truck is ready for its next chapter. Don't miss out on owning a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Presenting a timeless classic, the 1958 Oldsmobile 98 Hardtop. This extraordinary find is priced at just $7,000 and is located in Vallejo, California. A rare gem, this model exudes the iconic style of the late 50s. Featuring an automatic transmission, a robust gas engine, and an odometer reading of 111,111 miles, it embodies a blend of nostalgia and potential. Its well-optioned features include air ride suspension, which has been converted to springs, but some parts are still in place, along with their suspension frame, air conditioning with some major parts missing, a tronic eye, Wandabar radio, power windows, and a power seat. This car is a hard-to-find model that requires substantial restoration, offering an excellent project opportunity for car enthusiasts and restorers. The clean title adds to its appeal, making it a promising candidate for a rejuvenation project. For more details and to embark on the restoration journey of this magnificent piece of automotive history, visit the link in the description. Introducing the classic 1958 Chevy truck, a model that has captivated vintage automobile enthusiasts for decades. Priced at just $1,200, this Chevy 3100 is located in Placerville, California, making it an enticing project car for dedicated restorers. With the odometer reading at 100,000 miles, this truck features a clean title status, but it does require significant work. It currently lacks a motor, transmission, and glass, as the cab has been chopped 6 inches. As a major restoration project, it offers a unique opportunity for collectors to revive a piece of automotive history. This is a vehicle that not only embodies classic American design but holds immense potential for restoration. Visit the link in the description to learn more about this exciting project and to get started on your journey restoring this beautiful Step into the realm of classic Americana with the 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3200 Fleetside, a rare gem priced at just $4,500 and located in Woodinville, Washington. This vintage beauty, boasting an all-original build, features a robust manual transmission and a gas-powered engine. Although its odometer reads 9,999,999, the Apache offers remarkable potential for restoration enthusiasts. The truck has been stored indoors, preserving its great patina, and the motor was last running about 5 years ago. Included in the sale are 2 doors, and the vehicle comes with a clean title. Interested buyers should note that texting is the preferred method to reach the seller. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the provided link in the description. Introducing the classic 1959 Buick LeSabre, available for just $4,600 in Raleigh, North Carolina. This car is a true gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike, boasting 8 cylinders and an automatic transmission. With an odometer reading of 80,560 miles, it's a fantastic candidate for restoration or a unique rat rod build. The vehicle retains its original charm, complete with all its trim. Although it currently does not run, the engine does turn over by hand. While there is some rust present, especially in the floors and rockers, this classic coupe holds immense historical value. A clean North Carolina title is included. If you're interested in creating something special from a vintage ride, or if you have a 1960s or 70s Ford F-Series truck to trade, this could be your perfect match. Explore more details by visiting the provided link in the description.